this video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Toyota Tacoma. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have apps on your Toyota Tacoma, but you want to add new ones, then what you have to do is actually go to the settings of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Instead of having the option to add apps inside of the dashboard or the touchscreen here, you need to do it through your phone. So when you have your phone connected, regardless of if it is an Android device or an iOS device, you will have to go over to the respective settings. For this video, I'm going to showcase how to do it on an iPhone over CarPlay. If you are using Android Auto in general, you will have to do these same steps, but in the Android Auto app settings. For iPhone, you access the settings, go over to the General category, so choose General under the iPhone settings, and then you will find Apple CarPlay. So listed here, CarPlay. Like I said in the beginning of the video, by going over to these settings instead of your car's settings, you will find it listed here. So you will tap on your Toyota, and then you can now make sure that it is enabled and also customize the home screen icons. So tap on this option here, and now you can remove or add new applications. Not every single app on your iPhone will be allowed to be used with CarPlay, but for the most part, apps that are compatible will be listed here. So if you tap on the plus sign next to any app, it will be added onto the app list of your Toyota Tacoma. If you want to remove an app, you tap on this minus icon instead in red, and it is going to remove the app from the list. So choose whichever option you want to do. And you can control their order by tapping and holding on these lines here, and then moving them up or down to switch the apps that are being displayed and in which order. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.